HIT, Holon Institute of Technology, was established in 1969 and became an independent public academic institute of higher education in 1999. HIT aspired to quality and excellence in teaching and innovative research. HIT trained high-quality students in the realms of digital medical technologies, science, computer science, engineering, management, and design. And we have a special multidisciplinary study department. The Action Learning course is an academic course which involves academics learning and social activities. The courses deal with processes and social challenges, reveal different ideologues, and develop critical thinking and pragmatic ideas. Through experiments, students strengthen their academic skill, develop professional and civil perspectives, and realize how they can influence their future. Green Ambassador is an involved course which put together learning of students in the classroom and social doing to the community. The goal was that the young pupils would become Green Ambassador, children with environmental awareness.
This period of global warming and pollution of land, sea, and air requires environmental awareness to ecological issues, as well as education of the future generation that will guarantee a better and greener future. That's exactly what we do in the Green Ambassadors course, which operates within the Department of Multidisciplinary Studies via the Dean of Students at HIT Holon Institute of Technology. Students acquire knowledge concerning ecology and the environment, then plan and develop effective experiential activities, teach and write scientific material. In addition, they are exposed to the various sectors of Israeli society, as well as the President's initiative, the Israeli Hope Program. Environmental and ecological knowledge is made accessible to the community and children of elementary schools in the following fields: air pollution, water pollution, soil contamination, waste and recycling, efficient use of energy, renewable energy, ecology, and sustainability. The program is offered at state schools in all sectors of Israeli society: secular, Arab, national religious, and ultra-Orthodox school, taught in separate classes for boys and girls. At the end of the course, pupils receive a Green Ambassador certificate. Green Ambassadors: think, do, change.
How should young pupils be taught about energy efficiency, and renewable energy before the COVID-19 and on the COVID-19 limitations? Before the COVID-19, as you see in the movie, the students go from the campus to the community. They visit in Revivim, in Elo Maria School, Yeshurun, Neve Shalom, Bnei Menachem, and Bnot Menachem. Under the limitation of the COVID-19, we couldn't go from the campus to the schools. We needed to do the course by the Zoom platform. the campus of HIT located here in Holon, near Tel Aviv. In the last year, we worked with schools in Dimona. The student prepared the experimental kits in HIT campus in Holon, and we delivered the experimental kits to the pupils in Dimona by taxi before we start the course. The pupils in Dimona get the experimental kits and wait to open the kits until the lesson was start. The Green Ambassador lesson to the pupils in Dimona was by the Zoom platform and include a Kahoot trivia question. The pupils in Dimona open the kits and perform the experiment together with the students in HIT in the Zoom platform in real time. When we examine the result of the Kahoot tests that we do for the pupils before the COVID, when the students go to the school and do the lessons, and after the COVID, when we work by the Zoom platform, we see that after the lesson, the pupils know very good the answer in frontalic learning and in synchronic online learning.
The course Green Ambassadors has been running for 6 years. It operates at the School of Multidisciplinary Studies through the Dean of Students at the Holon Institute of Technology, funded by the Council for Higher Education. The course has two main goals: to introduce students to Israel's complex society and to increase accessibility of environmental topics such as sustainability, renewable energy, and energy efficiency. The course consists of several stages: environmental education for students from the various faculties of the Institute, meeting with ultra-Orthodox society, introduction to Israeli society, using online learning kits, teaching environmental topics. The course reached 3 key achievements. In addition to operating in a variety of sectors in Israeli society, the course also operated on the geographical periphery of Israel. The course covered a wide range of environmental topics: air pollution, water pollution, soil contamination, waste and recycling, energy efficiency, renewable energy, and sustainability. By using the online experiment kits, the course managed to overcome the limitations of the COVID-19 outbreak. At the end of the course, pupils receive a Green Ambassador certificate.
The Action Learning course Green Ambassador contribute to the society and for the future generation. The pupils turn more awareness and learn an important lesson about the ways to provide the environment and energy efficiency. We would like to thank to the Higher Education Council for budgeting and support this course, to the Social Innovation Unit in HIT, to the Multidisciplinary Department in HIT, and the Energy Department in the Engineering Faculty, and to the schools that take part in this course. Thank you for your listening. If you have any questions, please connect by the mail. Thank you.